After a beautiful few weeks with my family, I'm headed to Nassau. Over the years, Nassau has felt more like home with each visit. The next few days, I will be taking advantage of the hardware and grocery stores, as well as saying bye to some close friends. We are almost to Nassau. The wind has been 10-ish knots, now it's 7. It was 10 earlier, but it's been straight in our face. There are clouds surrounding us, but we haven't got rained on yet, which has been nice. The wind's dying because the storms are getting closer, but I'm really happy we haven't gotten rained on. I have a feeling it's going to be a rainy afternoon. See the anchor like right there, slowly backing down. Pretty water. It just started sprinkling, but it's not too bad and it feels really good to be here. I love this bay. And for the first time in a really long time, I'm the only boat here. We are set. We made it! I don't know where to find lighting. So we obviously made it, and I just lay down for a little bit. I'm pretty tired. Mako. Hey. Hey. Yeah. So we are pretty tired. I am looking at my list, and I really don't have a lot to do, but it's just prepping the boat, getting some final things fixed. Little freezer update. It's working, but the fan is broken in it, so I have like external fans going down there. I don't have the water coming through it yet because I don't have that piece yet. I should have that when I move around to Nassau Bay, but it's working. Stuff's frozen. I've been monitoring that. I need to use these days while I'm in Nassau to also relax. So I'm gonna do a full engine service, which means engine oil, engine filters, fuel filters, primary and secondary, check the zinc, check the transmission oil, and water pump impeller.
Resurrection like a ghost. Hurricane, go ahead and blow. Where you could keep your white flag, I'll never fold. A shadow on a battlefield. A survivor, never yield. A thunder, go ahead and
I don't have a Raycor filter on the boat at the moment, so I will be getting that in the harbor. But after I do the impeller, which is probably going to be the hardest thing, the engine maintenance is done.
A survivor, never yield. A thunder, go ahead and shade. Don't run from the storm when I feel the rain. There's no rest for the wicked, no victory for the weak. And when the weeds getting thicker, you'll never see me on my knees.
Today has been pretty much like this. I've put the new DC-DC charger in. I don't think I filmed any of it. I went with Victron. It's a lot smaller of a charger, and oh my gosh guys, compared to Renogy, I'm not sponsored by Victron by the way, but compared to Renogy, this DC-DC charger is going to be so much easier because it's Bluetooth and I get to set the voltage that it actually starts charging and stops versus running down every single time I was about to put the boat in idle. So yeah, super excited about this new DC-DC charger. And as you can see, there are thunderstorms around. It rained all last night, and The batteries were, I woke up and they were at like 18%, but the sun was out. Partially cloudy, but sun was out all day, so batteries got up a bit and I feel a lot better now, but DC-DC charger was a priority in case I needed to run that engine. I'm honestly just trying to relax, recuperate. As you guys know, I've been super burnt out. I wanted to hop on here because it's so gorgeous out, and when I was working in Florida waiting on my engine, the thing I said was the difference between working here and in the Bahamas is I get to see the pretty blue water in the middle of a project, and I get to jump in this pretty blue water at the end of the day. So, a barracuda has joined company, but this is my view during the day, and it makes it all worth it. There's no wind. Storms are brewing around. I have one neighbor. The sun is going down. Mako is having the time of his life. Get it! You have a mosquito! What do I have? Get it! Hey! Come here. Oh, that was a bad throw. I'm sorry. So, all that being said, I'm really trying to soak in my back in West Bay, so planes are flying over, but this is where it all started, so I'm super happy to be here. Good morning. Actually, I think it's afternoon now. I've been having pretty lazy days. It is still raining, but today we're installing something very exciting. Finally putting the new bilge pumps in, and I'm also going to be putting in a high water alarm, which I'm really excited about. My boat is 30 years old, so it did not already have one. A lot of the newer boats do already have them, but I'm about to dig way down in that bilge. You can't even see the water, it's so deep. And dig out all these hoses and organize everything. Unfortunately, there is a battery right next to it, so I'm gonna try to cover that up, but it's gonna be a messy job today.
It's explosive. I got a fever in my blood, a falling embers from above. I feel the heat when the pressure blows, a wildfire that you can't control. There's no rest for the wicked, no victory for the weak. And when the weeds getting thicker, you'll never see me on my knees. You can't control this, it's explosive. You can't control this, it's explosive. You can't control this, it's explosive.
Bilge pump is officially working, and now I'm going to install the sensor. That wall down there appears way too high, obviously, and hopefully that means no more high water.
With every beat of my heart, I'll be the light in the dark. You can't control this, I'm explosive.
Haven't been super on here. I've just been really cleaning the boat, putting the automatic bilge pump in, visiting with friends, saying bye. We are officially this time leaving West Bay. I pulled out a few days ago, but I came back last night. I'm officially leaving this bay that I've called home for a while. I'm really excited. I'm heading around to the harbor because I need a new faucet and groceries and say bye to more friends. Hey, good morning. Where are all your toys? Good morning. Someone wants to play but has lost his balls already. Yeah. It's supposed to be sunny and little wind today, and I'm gonna go run errands, hopefully find a faucet, and then tomorrow do the install, and then hopefully leave. That's the hopeful plan, but that depends if I find everything. Are you happy? Don't lose it. I am headed out with Beijing. I'm dinging over to her house and we are gonna go run errands. I need the new faucet. And how are you? Are you gonna hold down the fort? Yeah. You're a little cutie. You're a monster today. So, yep. We're gonna go run errands and I'm gonna try to take you along as much as I can.
This is my first time driving you.
It is.
No!
No, it's not the first time driving.
Oh, okay. We'll go to 8 first.
Good.
Oh man, that is hilarious!
There's moments I should definitely film, I just didn't.
Yeah.
But this girl's a freaking saint. We found the faucet. You guys get to be there for if I actually get it installed or not. That's gonna be the struggle. But we found one, and yeah, this is Beijing. She's like my best friend, and she
like your
hasn't-
best friend,
She
or-
is my best friend, and she hasn't been like in any videos because I never bring out the camera when she's around.
Because she's so... what's the
Quality time. Quality time.
word? I'm camera shy!
BS.
Okay.
Groceries and sink faucet, and everything is done thanks to this wonderful person.
You can't control this, it's explosive. You can't control this, it's explosive.
Just got some fuel.
The YouTube channel here?
Yeah.
What's your site? What's the name of your site?
Lauren Landers.
Lauren Landers.
Yeah. These guys just got me fuel. I've been docking with them for a long time. So, last goodbye before I head out. They're sending me off.
Nassau.
Alright.
Ready?
When you come back down, I'm gonna go back up with you.
Okay, deal.
Alright?
Second you guys throw the lines, I'm just gonna fly off, so.
Yeah, just throw it on there.
Yeah, it's good.
When you get a chance, secure the line.
I will. I'm just going back to anchor.
Alright.
It's so good to see you.
Likewise.
Alright. Don't forget, when you come back down, I'm coming up.
I will not forget. It is pretty windy out. I think 15 to 20 knots. I have not sailed in a while, apparently. I'm gonna show you guys, but it's a little cloudy, a few scattered storms, but I think I need to go. I need to raise the dinghy, put all the fuel away, get the boat perfect. I've said bye. I've gotten what I needed, or I've made do. And if I don't leave, I'm gonna miss my weather gap, so.
I got metal running through my bones. bones, a resurrection like a ghost. Hurricane, go ahead and blow. Where you could keep your white flag, I'll never fold. A shadow on a battlefield, a survivor never yield. A thunder, go ahead and shade. Don't run from the storm when I feel the rain. There's no rest for the wicked, no victory for the weak. And when the weed's getting thicker, you'll never see me on my knees.
What do you think about leaving? Yeah, I'm with you.
The weather only got worse. Literally about to leave, and a big squall line was coming through on the radar, so I decided to stay. And it has not cleared up, so I am happy I stayed because it looks like it did hit the Exumas and some here. My week in Nassau is over, and most of the items on my list have been checked off. From now on, the weather is going to be determining my steps, and I cannot wait for this upcoming chapter of my life.